Can your body heal itself? The human body is an extraordinary creation, equipped with complex systems that are designed not only to function, but also to repair, adapt, and thrive. One of its most impressive abilities is self-healing, a natural process by which the body recovers from injury, illness, or even emotional stress. But how far can this self-healing go? Can the body truly heal itself, or are there limits? The answer lies somewhere in between. Yes, the body has incredible built-in mechanisms to repair and restore itself, but it needs the right environment, inputs, and care to do so effectively. The science of self-healing. From the moment you scrape your knee or catch a cold, your body sets off a chain of responses. The immune system identifies invaders, like bacteria or viruses, and mobilizes white blood cells to fight them off. The skin begins clotting to prevent blood loss and regenerates tissue to replace damaged cells. Bones remodel after fractures, and even the brain can rewire itself after injury, a process called neuroplasticity. Inflammation, often viewed negatively, is actually the body's first line of defense. It is the immune system's way of signaling that repair is needed. Although chronic inflammation is harmful, acute inflammation is crucial for healing. Similarly, stem cells play a vital role, acting like repair agents that can transform into various cell types as needed. Everyday healing in action. You've likely seen your body heal many times without giving it much thought. A minor cut closes within days. A cold clears up in a week. A bruise fades after a few days. These are all signs of your body's healing powers. Even more impressive is the liver's ability to regenerate. It can regrow even after 2/3 of it is removed. The digestive tract, which undergoes constant wear and tear, replaces its lining every few days. Muscles rebuild after being torn during exercise, becoming stronger over time.